In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Surfshark VPN. So you need to first going on my video description, then click on the first link, then you are redirect to this website. So now you need to click on Get VPN, Surfshark VPN. So here the pricing, and this Surfshark VPN no give you free trial, maybe lots of VPN they are offer you for free, but this is a premium. All the package you don't get free. So I recommend you for start Sharp starter. This is the lowest price, so 1.69 USD per month. So now you are ready to this web page. So now you need to pay this one, add your card on here, then pay on here. So after paying you are redirected to this another web page, and this like download. If I click on download, you can face this type of home screen. Then now you need to if you want to use this VPN on PC, so you can download a Chrome extension. If you are using Firefox and Edge, you can download as your preference. Like if you are a Mac user, you can download Mac OS app. So currently I'm using PC, and I need to download Chrome extension. So I already added through my computer. Here you need to click on here, add this extension. So I already add on here, so I skip this step. So once you've done it, you only need to click on this icon, then you can see Sharp VPN extension, this one. Just click here, then which server you want to connect. If you want to uh, connect with US server, UK server, Indian server, you can choose it. But if you don't need to stop, just click on quick connect, and they automatically connect a fastest mm, server. So if I want to change it, then it's maybe Thailand, so I'm going to use USA server. So I need to choose this one, USA, the fastest. Then click on quick connect. That's it. It's already connected. So it's and this change to on here. So if I copy this IP, so it's you can see it's United States, and this is my IP currently. So this is the method how you can use Sharp VPN. So if you found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Bye.